Alright, so it's been a while since I've done a vlog, and this one I just randomly last minute decided to make a vlog because I cannot remember the last time it was a vlog. It's Changi Beach, like last time. Or Changi Beach, yeah, that was a while ago. So here's a vlog, and I hope you enjoy it. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing, cooking, whatever video. Man, this reminds me, I still need to do my phone review. Anyway, let's forget about that. Today I'm going to be reviewing this new frying pan that I bought because of my because of my very beautiful recipes that I keep making. By the way guys, I do have an Instagram if you want to check it out, where I post random nonsense like this and me going out all throughout Singapore. So if you're interested, you can go follow in the description, and I guess enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah, so this is the stuff on the box, so I guess let's unbox and take a look. I'm also planning to test this out just a little bit, but it's actually a bit. Okay, why does it look like an IKEA box? We don't need this. We got a little lid. Oh, this is a dense lid. It's copper glass, I think. Glass, right?
Yes, glass. I don't think you should be using this part.
No, it could also be acrylic almost. Then you got a rice cooker thing or whatever.
That's not a rice cooker. It's like a pan because this handle and then.
Oh yeah, right. For boiling noodles. Yeah. Okay. Plastic lid. Why? Oh, yeah, seriously. Oh, why plastic? Oh, because there's a gap in this one. So.
No, this is for cooking, and then that's probably for covering up or.
Separate lids for that anyway. You can just.
I don't think this is used for anything, to be honest.
It's just the other stuff. You're gonna. Is this a non-stick pan?
Should be.
Okay, just gotta make sure. Man, I forgot to get a wooden spoon. I'm gonna use chopsticks then. Oh, and this one, YDA'S just told me before filming that this is the detachable handle kind of pan, which she's skeptical about, which perfectly reasonable, if I'm being honest. I mean, it's quite secure and everything, but yeah, no, mechanical stuff, there's always room for failure, so yeah. See, I mean, it's not too heavy, you can probably stop saying it. And this pan, I mean this pot, this thing, oh yeah, right, forgot about that. Oh, there, yeah, it's actually more secure than I thought. I can open as well. Anyways, let's put it on here. Go, nice and secure. Actually, I'm not sure about that. Oh, I forgot the cap is this like that. Yeah, also decently secure. I don't know why you use this. Probably just for boiling noodles and you pour it. Yeah, not bad, not bad. So should we go test this? We're gonna make some bread. Let's do it. Alright, first you chop up the chilies. Oh, this, by the way, this is my very good. Okay, next ingredient is some cheese. This one is just chopping up the small slices. Okay, I think that's decent enough. Okay, so we got turmeric, 2 types of soy sauce, this chili powder, this is ginger garlic paste, butter, green chili, cheese, and then you got the egg here. I would have added green chili, but it's out of stock at home. So is there anything else I can add? Sometimes I add baggy seasoning powder like noodle seasoning, but I had too lazy for that today. You can just crack the eggs. That was so successful.
Who cracks the eggs like that? You even got a shell in there, bro.
Texture.
Texture.
And just whisk. Actually, see, that's fine. Whisk it first. Actually, just add everything here, like a bit of everything. So I'd say half tablespoon of chili powder.
Should I have a ginger garlic taste?
Okay.
Especially.
Yeah, just a little bit more. Nothing too much.
What?
This is like a quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Don't
just
too much.
Add how much you need.
I'm just giving general instructions, but then you can tweak as you do. Right, so this now we can add the cheese. You can slowly just put a long plate. As you can see, guys, professional cooking. Oh goodness.
Professional?
Yes, very professional.
Professional.
110% professional. Drop in the chili. Okay. Then your a little bit of butter. This one you can add as much as you want. So depending on your diet, whether you are.
Add as long as you don't get a heart attack.
Yeah.
I don't think anyone's gonna make this, bro.
It's fine.
I thought my eyes were blessed just a few hours ago, but no.
Well, time for soy sauce. This is basically the way of adding salt. So light soy sauce, which has most of the salt. So, okay, light soy sauce. Then dark soy sauce for a bit of color. I think tablespoon of both. So one for seasoning, one for color.
Tablespoon cannot work too much.
Sorry, teaspoon. So usually for eggs, you use this nice small egg pan here. It's just for eggs, I think. It's pretty well used, but still does the job very nicely. Now we got this. Probably should not have done that. Look at that extra. You could probably do like stir fried rice or something. Not that I'm skilled enough for that. Oh yeah, YDA'S is figuring out there's something called a light, so wow. Beautiful lighting.
Wow.
Just gonna wipe out the pan a little bit. My beautiful eggs.
Abomination.
Actually.
Hey, where your butter, bro?
It's inside.
Oh my gosh.
Right, then just.
Oh, that does not look like egg.
So. Okay, the key for this is low heat. Why is it so off-centered? Just realize. Just low heat, and then just keep on mixing it. I probably put this on too high heat. My recommendation is just cook this for 5 minutes under low heat, so it'll be nice and cooked while still having. Come on, man. See, you'll get a nice texture and it'll be cooked. Cooked. Oh no! How long has it been since? Wow, guys, this is history right here. YDA'S first YouTuber moment. Yes. Alright, I prepared the eggs. So now it's time for the bread. And I wish I could get these egg scraps out. That's gonna be extra everywhere. So just throw in a little bit of butter. Just spread it out evenly. Let me just transition. And boom! Wow, we have the bread on the pan all of a sudden. Totally didn't go through a lot of
Don't throw a lot. You just took 2 pieces of bread and put it in the stove.
Right, so for bread, I generally like to leave it until you get a crispy crust. There's no specific timing, but all you need to do, take note of, is leave it on low heat.
Salty.
I feel like you're slightly disappointed there's better.
Yeah, it is.
Also, put more butter. I don't think I added enough butter. This is definitely not enough butter.
Excuse me, your egg got enough butter.
Just make sure this toasts evenly for however long you like. Just make sure it's nice and crispy. It's only getting a bit crispy, as you can tell. And they have make 2 versions of this. One that's actually doing the recipe and us just goofing around. Oh, that definitely. Okay, guys, if you're doing this, please add more butter. You know, it may be more of a heart attack move, but this is just sad. This is sad, right? So I recommend you add like 1/12 of your whole stick of butter in here.
Excuse me.
Okay, so I think the bread I think mostly gonna toast later on once I assemble most of the sandwich. Careful of the pan, bro. At least that's one disadvantage of this pan. The center of gravity is all sorts of whack. So even if you have slightly thick on this side, it's yeah, I think it's gonna start burning and the whole kitchen is gonna burn down. To be enough toasting for the. So is this enough toasting for now? We can toast it later. Time for the third part of this. Is this third part or fourth part, or how do we even consider it? But I'm gonna grab one thing. It's like a little McSpicy-esque patty that my aunt just found. This is absolutely amazing, honestly. Like a bit of defrosting, then Then fry it up with some butter. Like so. The dripping some days onto the pan. I wanted to add some butter or something, but good gracious, that's a lot. That is proper. It's proper American portions like that. Good gracious, like. Alright, so now that you got your thingy. Oh wow, that's. So I think we are making this by hand, like how to say? Oh gosh, I missed. We're making this on your own. You probably want it spiced up with some chili powder and whatnot. Okay, so just let our pan heat up a bit. Probably add a little bit of butter, you know, nothing too much. Because this one always plenty of juices. Just looking for a little bit of crust. Just heat it up, get it nice and crusty. I mean, it already has a crust, you know, this pre-made. So yeah, I think this should be about good for the browning stage. So now we can get the bread on. Yeah, take our eggs and bread. Guys can definitely improve on that. No, they can get it back to the pan later. Hey, sorry, the bread. It's only on the pan.
Flip it over.
Probably would have also added some cheese, but you know the egg already has cheese in it, cause so just finish it off with this nice juices. Nice and crusty, the eggs. I think that's about good though. We just turn off the heat, let the bread cook at its remaining. Now we'll cook it the heat that's remaining, and yeah, the eggs are actually nice and extra brown. I like the scratching this up so much as it is. Alright, there you have it. A nice and beautiful seasoned extra protein sandwich. I have so much stuff to wash up upon. That was totally successful without any kind of barricades. Alright guys, after all the cleanup and whatnot, that probably took way too much time. We have this sandwich. Now that it cooled down, it's actually normal to use. Very intense. Gonna get rid of this. When it is munching like a carrot now. You know, cross section.
Cross section.
Like slice in half. Like time to taste this. Ginger garlic is quite strong. Other than that, but nice. It's probably like a once in a while sandwich, you know. Like once in a while. Like when you feeling like you can have a lot of high effortness and everything. There's a bit of chili sauce as well in here.
Be on the chili, bro.
A little bit of creaminess. I mean like that, you know. I didn't get much of the chicken in this bite though. So. I feel like Michael really made it too dry. Now it's just like string. That's no nice flavor.
I just realized they might be hearing extra ASMR.
Would you recommend them to try this out?
I don't know, bro. I just got the eggs, so no.
Honestly, I feel like you should try this out as a once in a while treat, you know. But how does it like anything? This took like an hour of like total everything. Like I feel like you made something else. So like anyway, about what I think about the pan, I think it's pretty good, man. The video itself, I didn't get to test it that much, but as I was editing the video, I also kept cooking, and you can ask YDA'S. By the way, what do you think of the pan? What's your rating out of 10? Pan
I
itself.
don't trust it.
But what's the rating? The pan itself, by the way, not my beautiful cooking.
Maybe I'll give it a 5.
Okay, and as for me, I think I'll give it 8.5 out of 10. And I feel like that's a pretty fair rating. Like most dishes that I've thrown at it, it has pretty much done. On both the pan and the pot. I mean, the pot I haven't used that much as well. I just use it to make some what is it? Noodles? Yes, boiled noodles, pretty obvious. I also use it to do hot chocolate or whatever goofy nonsense sorts. But yeah, that's about it. So guys, thank you all so much for watching the vlog, and I hope I can make another one soon and not leave for another year without one. Bye guys.